All right, so if you have correctly calculated the answers, let's just go to what I'm trying to explain you. All right. All right. So if you got it right, great. 10 to the power 6 times 10 to the power minus 18 should give you 10 to the power minus 12. Now, why did I do this with you, right? So why we went back to our school math? What I'm trying to basically help you understand is the whole calculation of the tokens and the whole calculation of decimals. And I've taken these two examples. So let's say you got the answer right. You got 10 to the power minus 12. I hope you got the answer right, which essentially means you have 0.12 zeros and 1. That's what it means. And let's look at the second question. So 10 to the power 24 times 10 to the power minus 18. You should have got 10 to the power 6, which essentially means 1 and 6 zeros after it. Now, the important concept to understand over here is that if you gave your initial token supply, so in the ERC20 smart contract that we just deployed, at the time of deployment, when you were deploying your smart contract, if you gave the initial, inside that text box, inside that input box, if you gave the initial total supply as 10 to the power 6, which is essentially 1 and 6 zeros, that actually gets multiplied to 10 to the power minus 18. Now I'll come in a moment where does this minus 18 comes, but for now just understand where is this 6 coming. So this 6 zeros is the number that you typed as initial token supply, 1 and 6 zeros, when you were deploying your smart contract as the founder. This essentially means that in the background, what has happened is it's 10 to the power 6 times 10 to the power minus 18, and that results in 10 to the power minus 12. So that essentially means that this is the number of tokens. These are the total number of tokens, ERC20 tokens, that you will get in your MetaMask wallet when you import them. Now, we'll see all of this in action, but for now, just understand the concept. Now, let's go on to the second part of the question. The second question. So if in your initial supply you gave 24, right, in your smart contract, when you were deploying your smart contract in your Remix IDE, you gave the initial supply as 24. That gets, in the background, that gets multiplied to 10 to the power minus 18. And the resultant is, if you got it right, 10 to the power 6, which essentially means 1 and 6 zeros. So this will be the number of tokens once you import it in your MetaMask wallet that you will see. So I hope you understand this concept mathematically. And if you're clear with what this is, let's quickly jump on to the next video.